The first 500 examples of the 2026 Polestar 6 have sold out in 2 weeks, ahead of first deliveries 4 years from now. It has been confirmed, priced from about $200,000 each. The production Polestar 6 is slated to droid styling from the O2 concept, shown earlier this year, with a folding hardtop roof, sharp LED lights, and smooth surfacing. The Polestar 6 will gain the sky blue exterior paint color, light-colored leather interior, and distinctive 21-inch alloy wheels of the O2 concept, according to Polestar. The Polestar 6 will feature the same dual-motor, 800-volt mechanicals as the Polestar 5, developing up to 650 kilowatts and 900 Newton meters for a targeted 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of 3.2 seconds, a 250 kilometers per hour top speed, and more than 600 kilometers of estimated driving range. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.